Hello, I hope you're having a nice day. My name is Basi from TradewithBolu Online Services, and this is the weekly analysis. Just to give you an overview of what to expect this coming week in the market. So, today we'll be looking at three pairs, right? These three pairs here: Gbpjpy, Usdjpy, AUD, and we might get to touch these indices. Alright, so without wasting time, let's begin. So, looking at Gbpjpy chart that's bound against Japanese yen, you can see that market is in an uptrend, changed pattern, changed its structure, and it's now proceeding to a downtrend. So if we pull out a trend line, we could actually connect from here down. So you see that market has been respecting this trend line, going well in a downtrend, right? So if all things being equal, a downtrend, we expect lower lows, lower highs. So we expect that the market comes back to make at least an equal low at this level, right, or even lower. So with that, you can move on to lower time frame to identify possibly entry opportunities. So looking at the lower time frame, we see market broke out and quickly jumped back in, then we tested the trend line and it's now falling down again. So at this point, right, you can see there's a strong level of support there at this level where price has been able to break first time, second time, and right now it's the third touch. So at this point there are two possibilities, right, where say price breaks through this level, we test it, and then falls down, right, to where we're expecting it to be, right, falls all the way down here, right, or that price actually retraces from this support level, maybe making a double top there, or just a little pullback and then breaks through again. So either ways, we are prepared to catch the market whatever it does. So at the point of market open, just check how price reacts to this level. Either it breaks through or it reverses from it, but high hopes that it should break through, right, breaks through and keeps on going. So that's possible entry for Gbpjpy, right. Then moving on to Usdjpy, it's staying on this time frame. You can see that there was this stubborn level, this level here. Market tested first, second, third, right, but couldn't break that through that level, but eventually finally broke it around this point, right, and now it's pulled back. So market was in a range, quite a range around here, and now it has broken, making a lower low and a second lower high, right. So this gives us an indication that a downtrend could be starting, right. So we're expecting market to actually fall and take at least our previous low, right. Market falls down to this level, and beyond what our eyes can see, pull out our indicator here, we have a bit of divergence, right. We have here the RSI is going up while price is coming down. So that's divergence there, signaling that, giving us extra confirmation that this market should drop. So at market open, just look at how price goes and then jump in, right. Or maybe you could go down to lower time frames to confirm entries. Okay, so on the lower time frame, see it's in an uptrend, right, the pullback from the higher time frame, and then we have this this level, right. This is the most significant low at this point. So first of all, I want to see a breaking structure that takes out this low, and that is market maybe it goes up or goes down, whatever it wants to do, but must break through this previous low and make a a lower high, right? So at that point, maybe retesting another block or something, but at that point is where it would be ideal to enter the trade. So keep that in mind until this lower low, until this higher low is taken out, right? This level with the rectangle is broken, right? You shouldn't be entering the trade. So that's going to give you extra confirmation to sell this market. And when you sell, you can hold your trade, throw your stop losses, manage the trade properly all the way to this point. This is where we'll be looking to take our full profits. You could take partials here at this first level. This could be your second profit target. Okay, with that said, we'll be moving to AUDCAD. So AUDCAD, already marked this out. So looking at higher time frames, you can see that it's been in a downtrend, steady downtrend all the way, and we expect that as downtrend goes, it makes lower highs and lower lows, right? So we are expecting market to at least make an equal low at this level, right, indicated by this line. So we're expecting market to drive all the way down here, right? So with that view from the higher time frame, going down to the lower time frame to see possible setup opportunities, right? So yes, in the lower time frame you can see an uptrend, broken structure, and lower lows, lower highs. It's classic market. So at this point, right, this is quite an instant trade, so it's quite set up. We're just waiting for a reversal, right? Because it's in a downtrend, it has this pullback, and then we're looking for a reversal candlestick, and then from there you can take this trade. So the first target is obviously going to be at this level to make an equal low, and then you can trail your trade, trail your trades, trail your stop loss, and take profits along the way. But this is the final target, right? So with that said, we have enough time to look into the indices. So looking at S&P 500, let's see from the higher time frame. I want to show you something. So the S&P, right, this is the chart. It has been in an uptrend forever, right? So you can see something, a recurring pattern is a sharp move up, reverse, move up, reverse. So over the period, you just have a spike up, small pullback, spike up, pullback, spike, pullback, spike, pullback, spike, pullback, right? So even in this period, same thing has been happening. I think you can even draw a trend line to join this, right? Yes, so we have 1, 2, 3. This didn't touch, but market is currently at this trend line right now. So from what we are seeing, we are expecting to see a very strong bullish momentum to take out this previous high, right? So that's our target, strong bullish momentum to take out this high. So as usual, because taking trades from higher time frame, your stop loss will be wider, so best to go down to lower time frame to find clearer opportunities. Nothing here, let's go down. Okay, so at this point you can see downtrend. So this is the last significant high, right? So I want to see markets make a reversal and take out this level, before you get interested in this trade at all. So that's it. Want market to reverse, take out this level, and from there you know that it's time. So once market breaks through this, it gives a pullback, then you are ready to join the trade. May not be a smooth ride like that. We have pullbacks along the way, obviously, but manage your stop loss, chill along with it, and keep moving. But this is the final profit target. Right, same thing with all the other indices. I think they are all correlated, so they all look similar, and all of them having a major pullback, and you could take a buy from there with the same idea I've given from S&P. So remember, trading forex is risky on its own, and TradewithBolu will not be held accountable for any losses incurred from using the system. But I wish you good luck. Have a very profitable week ahead. Thank you.